Deep oceans caress our Earth's surface. High mountains reach oh so high. She gradually turns on her pivotal axis, daily displaying our day and night sky. We watch in disdain her inclement weather. We bathe in the sun, her wonderful breeze, but we hardly consider her mystery and magic as our blatant consumption forces her down on her knees. We invent chemicals that attacks her nature. We are destroying her birds and bees. Thousands of species who used to deliver will soon be gone because of man's greed.